Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I am coming to you guys with a Christmas Dollar Tree haul. I went to Dollar Tree the other day and they just brought out all the Christmas decor and I am obsessed. I love to decorate for fall and Christmas. Those are like my two favorite holidays to decorate the house. Like, I just love it. So I got a lot of goodies down below that I'm so obsessed with and I cannot wait to show you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, love, so let's go ahead and jump into the first bag that I have. So the first thing I have are these red bows because for this Christmas I am going to be decorating in gold and red. Oh, he wants to come out in the video, so give me 1 second. Hello. So yeah, the first thing I got was these two red bows because I am decorating red and gold for Christmas, so I'm super excited to incorporate the red in my decor this year. And then I went ahead and got this wire ribbon because I am going to be doing some DIY stuff, so I wanted to go ahead and pick one of these up. I might get some more depending on the DIY that I am doing. And then another thing I got were some bows. I got this one for my daughter and a headband for her because, you know, she's in school and I'm always putting hair accessories in her hair. And then the next two things I have are these little Christmas, and they do a light up, which is amazing. I cannot wait to put these out and display them in one of my Christmas decors that I'm going to be doing. And then the next bag I have, because I have a few bags, guys. I have a few. So the next bag I have are two of these vases. I am, again, doing DIYs. So I'm getting a lot of my material real early so I can start doing my DIYs early. So I got two of these. And then I went ahead and also got these that I thought were so cute because, like I said, they are going with my theme. They have the red and the gold. They do have green in it. I'm not a fan of green, but for my kitchen I am gonna be putting this by my stove and just displaying it because I thought it was super cute. I just love the colors on it. So that is that bag. And then the next bag I have are these little fox snow. I can't wait to decorate with this. I'm gonna be doing something with that also. Hopefully I get to show you guys all my DIYs and my Christmas decor once I put everything out. I lay everything out. I will show you guys everything. I think I'll do like a dedicated video to my DIY Dollar Tree decor that I do. And I found one of these. What are these? These are like a container that you could display candies and stuff. I am not going to be displaying candy, but I am going to be doing something very nice with this, with my Christmas decor. I'm definitely going to be doing that soon. And then I got one of these LED lights. Now I got this for my daughter's room just to give her a little bit of a festive room. So I went ahead and picked them up, and they're little stars. I thought this was so cute. It will go great with her room. So I went ahead and picked that up for her. And then I do have another one of the ribbons. And then the last thing in this bag is this cup right here. I couldn't give it up. I was like, this is so cute. It says, have a cup of cheer. I thought this was so cute because I already have a black and white one. And I went ahead and picked up a red and black one that I thought goes well with the festive mood. Then this one has the chargers. Now Dollar Tree brought back some amazing, beautiful gold chargers that I said, okay, I need these in my life. I'm trying to use one hand because I'm trying to hold that to the baby, but I saw these gold chargers and they are brand new. They have more of like a matte finish than the other ones that used to have the glossy finish. So this is like more of a matte finish, and I said yes, I need these. I went ahead and picked up 4 to display them on my table, and I can't wait. I'm telling you guys, the Christmas decor is gonna be amazing, and I cannot wait to film it and show you guys all the stuff that I do to my house for Christmas. Like, I'm just obsessed. I can't wait. And then I did want to show you guys what I got at home. That is the stuff that I got from Dollar Tree, and then this stuff I'm going to show you is from At Home, just because they did send me a coupon, and I love me a coupon, especially for At Home, just because they are pricey for certain things. So I went ahead, I picked up some red balls because I don't have any, because the previous years I was decorating with rose gold and gold, and then I did turquoise and gold, so I never had red. So I went ahead and picked up these red balls for $8.99, and I think this is going to be more than enough for my tree, just because I don't want to overpower it with so much red, because I do want to put like little poinsettias and stuff like that inside the tree to give it like more of a mix. So I didn't want to get too many of the red balls, so I just got one pack of those. And then I did pick up the last thing I picked up were these little branches that I am going to be displaying on top of the tree. So I went and picked up like 4 of these, and I'm going to be sticking them on top of the tree, just because I don't put angels on my tree. It's just not something that I like. So I go ahead and get those little picks and I put it on top of my tree. So I'm going to have a mix of the red and the gold on the top of the tree to give it like a nice blend. So yeah, that is basically all that I got from Dollar Tree and At Home. I am just super excited to decorate like my house. I can't wait to see it. Once everything is done and said, I just can't wait. I can't wait to film it. But let me know down below, what have you found from Dollar Tree, because I'm telling you guys, Dollar Tree has been stepping up the game, and it's just amazing the amount of good things that they're bringing. Like, I'm loving it. But yes, let me know down below what you guys have found. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, my loves.